I'ma get you, oh man. I'ma get you, I'm like, oh man. I'ma go, oh my. It's super fun. Wait, are you recording? Oh yeah, guys, it is your boy, Cozy Copper. Do I have a gold duck on me? Let me check my here. Yo, guys, look at me, man. I'm so tough. I got my gold duck. Alright, let's go somewhere. Come on, let's go. Oh, follow me. Wait, let's race. Oh, I say go. Go. You can still win, you know, because I can get stuck easier. Wait, stop. What's it called again? Oh, wait, where's the Fred Bears? I thought you said there was Fred Bears. Which map do you want to do? Wait, before I go, what even is this place? Is it like a Roblox map? Alright, join the code. Yes, it's the Roblox map! I'll see you there, bitch. Wait, come back. Wait, stop and come back. I'm back! Oh, no, come back. Oh, here, watch this. Look at me jump. Mega Knight! Alright, where are you? Up there. Follow me. Are you serious? I'm very serious. I already told you this. I used to have mods, but then they're took from me. Oh my god, you want to see me become the new Wally West? You know you're a guy, that one, whoever's watching Bananas videos, if you know Wally West, I'm gonna do a Wally West party. I just let the world just pass me by. Pain-filled, nice clothes. Oh shit, no, banana. Come on. Wait, when you get killed, does your game crash? Banana. When you die, does your game crash? No, when you get killed. No, when you get killed, because remember that original Girl Tap Man game? Like horror one, once you get killed, you get, like, your game crashes? I don't know if it was like that. Yo, Green! Yo, I want to see me tackle Green. Move back.
Wally West activate.
Come here, you bitch!